Amber, cherished since Neolithic times, is a biogenic material, an organic gemstone originating from the resinous secretion of ancient trees, therefore deriving from living organisms. The resin is exuded as a defense mechanism, protecting against injuries and infections. Over millions of years, the resin undergoes a remarkable transformation, fossilizing and solidifying into the captivating gemstone we know as amber.
The etymology of the word amber has various theories. Some believe it derives from Arabic anbar, referring to ambergris or gray amber, a solid waxy substance produced by sperm whales and used in perfumes. The word's sense was later extended to Baltic amber in Romance languages from the late 13th century. Other studies propose that the word has Germanic origins, composed of the prefix n and br, with the sense of burning or shining, akin to the ancient German bernen, meaning to burn. The word might have passed to the Arabs, Turks, and Persians from Germany. This hypothesis aligns with the Latin word incensus, meaning incense, derived from incendere, meaning to burn. The Romans referred to amber as succinum, associating it with succus, or juice, to highlight its origin from vegetable secretions. The Latin name electrum and the ancient Greek term electron are connected to elector, meaning beaming sun. The word electron later gave rise to electric, electricity, and related terms due to amber's ability to bear static electricity.
Already in the 6th century BC, in fact, the philosopher Thales of Miletus had discovered that, by rubbing a cloth with a piece of amber, it became capable of attracting small light objects. Today we speak of static electricity. This behavior of amber caused Thales himself, and later Plato and Plutarch, to attribute a soul to this gem. Another highly valued quality of amber was its sweet scent. As reported by the poets Juvenal and Martial, Roman women got into the habit of holding fragments of amber in their hands to warm them and then smell them on their skin. Throughout history, many ancient cultures attributed magical and mystical properties to amber. It was often considered a protective charm or a symbol of the divine. For example, in Greek mythology, amber was associated with the tears of the sisters of Phaeton, the son of Helios, who were transformed into poplar trees after his death. These tears became amber, symbolizing their grief and immortalizing their love for their brother. Amber has been traded and valued since ancient times. The trade routes of amber stretched across regions, with the Baltic region being a significant source of amber. It was transported through various trade networks, including routes connecting northern Europe with the Mediterranean and beyond. Amber was highly prized and used to craft luxury items, ornamental decorations, and even as a form of currency in some cultures.
Amber originates from the resinous secretion of ancient trees, particularly coniferous trees. The resin is exuded from the trees as a defense mechanism against injury or infection. Its chemical composition primarily consists of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen, with the chemical formula shown here, where N represents the variable number of repeating units in the polymerized structure of amber, as it is composed of complex and interconnected molecules. As amber ages over millions of years, it undergoes polymerization, isomerization reactions, cross-linking, and cyclization. These chemical changes cause the resin to harden and fossilize, transforming it into the beautiful gemstone we know as amber. The Baltic amber forest, which reflects the period of resin production, dates back to 60 million years ago, the Cenozoic era. Warm and humid climates in regions of Scandinavia, the Baltic Sea, and Russia favored the growth of trees and production of resin, primarily by various species of ancient conifers, collectively known as Pinus succinifera.
Amber exhibits a hardness between 2.0 and 2.5 on the Mohs scale, a refractive index of 1.5 to 1.6, a specific gravity between 1.06 and 1.10, and a melting point of 250-300 degrees Celsius. It can have various colors, including yellow-orange-brown, whitish, lemon yellow, brown, and almost black, with rare colors like red, green, and blue amber. Blue amber, in particular, is an extremely rare and prized variety. It is mainly found in the Dominican Republic. When exposed to natural sunlight or ultraviolet light, blue amber exhibits a mesmerizing blue glow, making it a highly sought-after gemstone for collectors and jewelry enthusiasts. Only about 100 kilograms is found per year, which makes it valuable and expensive. While crystals are composed of regularly repeating atomic or molecular structures, amber does not have a crystalline structure. It is considered an amorphous material, meaning it lacks the long-range order and regular atomic arrangement characteristic of crystals. Instead, amber is made up of complex and interconnected molecules resulting from the polymerization of the original tree resin over millions of years. Historically, the coast west of Königsberg in Prussia was the world's leading source of amber. Today, approximately 90% of the world's extractable amber is still located in that area. Amber is also found in other regions, including Ukraine, northern Myanmar, and the Dominican Republic. Amber has been used as jewelry since the Stone Age, around 13,000 years ago, and has been employed in folk medicine for its purported healing properties. It is above all starting from the late Helladic period, around 1600 BC, that this gem began to be esteemed among the most valuable materials present in nature, on a par with gold, silver, and ivory, and therefore be used mainly to decorate the palaces and to manufacture luxury items for the homes of the nobles. Amber was then widely used also for the production and decoration of vases, cups, and jugs. Following Homer, for example, Pliny mentions a cup donated by Elena to the Temple of Minerva, located on the Acropolis of Lindos, on the island of Rhodes. Furthermore, amber was also used to make household utensils, such as knives, dice, amulets, seals, and hooks, as well as to decorate portions of wall reliefs or bed segments. The color of amber was highly appreciated by Roman high society, to the point that since the reign of Nero, 54-68 AD, and probably on the initiative of the prince himself, the requests for amber-colored hair dye increased from part of the matrons of the city.
The mysterious characteristics of amber, such as its magnetic capacity and golden color, led the ancients to attribute magical, apotropaic, and medical properties to that material. By virtue of this, it was in fact used as a remedy for earache, darkening of vision, stomachache, intestinal flu, and blood loss. Amber deposits hold immense value for geologists and paleontologists. Fossils trapped in amber provide an exceptional window into prehistoric ecosystems, preserving ancient flora and fauna in exquisite detail. These fossil inclusions have offered crucial insights into the biodiversity and ecological conditions of past environments.
Amber's unique preservational mode has yielded remarkable finds, such as insects, spiders, annelids, frogs, crustaceans, bacteria, and more, trapped in Cretaceous ambers deposited around 130 million years ago. The preservation of prehistoric organisms in amber formed a key plot point in Michael Crichton's novel Jurassic Park and its movie adaptation. Amber holds cultural significance in various traditions and is used in perfumery and as jewelry. It remains a fascinating natural material that provides valuable insights into the Earth's past while preserving ancient life forms. As amber is a finite resource, it is crucial to practice sustainable harvesting and conservation to protect amber deposits and the ecosystems involved in its formation. Responsible harvesting ensures that future generations can continue to appreciate the beauty and scientific value of this unique gemstone without causing ecological harm. In a world filled with hidden wonders, we believe gemstones abound for those with curious eyes. We're on a quest to reveal these precious gems, the knowledge, the beauty, and the magic that surrounds us, and we want you to witness it all. So don't just look, smash that subscribe button. By joining our gem hunting crew, you'll unlock the vault of enchanting content. Each video holds a gem waiting to be discovered by you. From dazzling insights to sparkling creativity, there's a gemstone waiting in every corner. We know you have an eye for gems, the ones hidden beneath the surface. So together, let's dig deep, explore, and reveal the wonders of this world. With every subscription, we'll uncover even more gems, shining brighter than ever before. Are you ready to embark on a gem-seeking adventure with us? All you need to do is tap that subscribe button, and our journey together will begin. Don't miss a single sparkling moment. Spread the magic of gemstones, share our discoveries, and let's build a treasure trove of sparkling knowledge and creativity. The gems are waiting, and so are we. Hit subscribe and become part of our gem-loving family. Thank you for being our gemstone explorer, and remember, gems are everywhere, waiting for you to uncover them.
Thank you for watching, and please remember, when you are in doubt, get a lab report.